Nearly 12% of Americans say they've used marijuana in the past year, and by and large, most of those smokers are breaking the law. But while blacks and whites smoke pot at similar rates, a comprehensive ACLU study reports that blacks are nearly 4 times more likely to be arrested for marijuana possession.
The truth about our national drug policy, and the truth of that policy is this: it's biased, it's broken, and it is costing us billions. The ACLU's analysis took an in-depth look at the enforcement of marijuana possession laws. And here's what they found. When it comes to marijuana, use rates among black and white Americans are nearly equal. In fact, in every year from 2001 to 2010, more white folks than black folks between the ages of 18 and 25 reported using marijuana in the previous year. But when the ACLU looked at who our justice system condemns to criminality because of that use, the analysis found a vast inequality. Black people are nearly 4 times more likely to be arrested than white people who light up at the same rates. And between 2001 and 2010, most of these arrests, 88% of them, were for simple possession.
New details on a mass arrest that ended a New Year's Eve party. Officers arrived at this party after hearing what was reported as gunfire. And they detected the odor of marijuana and observed subjects fleeing the premises, probably because it was being raided by the police. While conducting their investigation, officers noted marijuana in plain view and initially recovered a semi-automatic handgun, which contextually is either a right that all Americans have, or if it's a person of a different race, it's cause to arrest dozens and dozens of people. So they reportedly entered the house without the permission of the partygoers, and after less than 1 ounce of marijuana was discovered, 63 attendees were arrested and sent to jail because no one claimed the drugs as theirs.
The issue of incarceration between African Americans and whites in this country is very apparent. It has been stated that African Americans are in prison 4 to 5 times more than white people for the same crime. Drug possession charges are amongst one of the most common yet most serious charges. Although marijuana is inherently harmless, it is still labeled as a Class 1 drug, ranked with other drugs like heroin. With the combination of the severity and common nature of this charge, as shown by the Federal Bureau of Prisons analysis, points out that about 46% of all yearly arrests were 79,231 total charges, and the lopsided demographics of these arrests makes for a very dangerous situation for anybody looking to light up.